A very warm greetings to one and all present over here. Today we are here for the video presentation of our major project Crop Connect. First of all, let me introduce our team. We have Aditya as our team member, then nextly myself Aditi as another team member, then we have Amber as our another team member, and lastly we have Chinmay. So we have prepared Cropped Connect as our major project. It's a companion website specially designed for farmers. It will act as a one-stop platform for them where they will be able to solve all their problems faced during farming. Our vision is to empower farmers, equip them with all sorts of model tools and technologies. It will help them to increase efficiency as well as prosperity in terms of environmental and economic. It will also help them to increase their productivity and profitability. Nextly, we will understand the services of our project.
So the services that is provided by our project, Crop Connect is a platform for farmer as well as a gardening enthusiast and industry experts. So then they can communicate each other through this project. It transforms the farming practices, efficiency, availability, and enhancement of the agriculture products. It can seamlessly linking the farmers, suppliers, the market together into a single platform. It provides the facilities like crop management, weather forecasting, as well as market analysis.
Nextly, we will have our technology stack, which will be explained by our team members.
Okay. So talking about the technology stack that we have used in our project, we have the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript alongside with the Bootstrap as a designing framework. Please continue.
So these are the back.
And when after linking all these technologies, when we run our project, we will have the user interface like this. We have, as I mentioned earlier, our website is a responsive one, so it can do, or we can say it can perform both the devices, either in a laptop or in a mobile. Please continue.
The features that is provided by our
For
website.
backend, where for backend, our team leader will explain all the tech stack used in backend and how it works.
So these are the backend servers: PHP, MySQL, Python, and Apache server. So if the farmers they are connecting, they are in trouble, so they can contact with the organizers. And there's a community section, so they help each other and they communicate them with the organizers and the farmers, so they can contact them easily.
As our team member Amar explained that once the user sign up himself or herself, he will have to declarify his role, and after declarifying his role, he will be provided at some options. As in, if he is logging in as a farmer, he will be provided with some options like whatever questions he want to ask. If he's uh, asking some small problem which can be solved through community support, it will be resolved immediately. If the problem will be big, it will be resolved by the industry expert. By industry expert, we mean by the farming industry expert, the agriculture expert. Nextly, we will be understanding its features, the features of our major project, which will be explained by Chinmay.
The feature that is provided by our project, it is an integrated platform for to fulfill the need of the farmer as well as the gardening enthusiast. It can satisfactorily solve all the challenges that can be encountered. It is easy to use. It is user friendly software, as you can see. It is characterized by a minimal technical requirement, no need to install additional software and hardware.
Okay, so we have also done the SWOT analysis for our project, which will be further explained by our team members.
So we have prepared a SWOT analysis for this project. It is well, we are talking about the strength. It is user friendly, comprehensive, scalable, reliable, and flexible design with great integrity. And well, as far as we have talking about the weakness, since we are a college student, we lack the technical expertise. We have limited fund and limited outreach.
Okay. So if we talk about the opportunities that we are having with our application, that it had mentioned that it has a direct marketing and collaboration. That means if you want to increase the range of our project, have to maximize the number of users, then we have to communicate with directly with the industry expert. And now, at last, if we talk about the third, which comes in our way, that increases the market reach and the build partnership. That, as I mentioned earlier, that it is a college level project, so it is not connected that much in the reach in the market. That's the one thread that comes in our way. Next, please.
For the development of our project in November 2023, we pursued this idea, and this project is still in the working phase, and we are day by day we are trying to keep on adding new things, experimenting with new things. As we all know that towards the end we have come to the last of these slides, so I would like to conclude that the Crop Connect project is not just a project. We are here for solving all the problems of farmers. The aim which we have started working with in future, we want to complete this aim, and in this way we are just working and adding new technologies, new features, which we want to solve the problems of farmers. So, towards the end, I would like to say that we hope to meet all the expectations, and we hope to resolve all the problems faced by farmers. Thank you.